Keep your workshop clean and your lungs happy. 7 dust extractors for DIYs and pros. From compact 5-gallon units to turbo I-class systems. First, Bosch gallon extractor filter VAC 090AH. $400, 9 gallons HEPA wet, dry. The Bosch VAC 090AH is a 9-gallon wet, dry extractor with HEPA filtration, priced around $400. It's built to handle sawdust, shop messes, and occasional wet cleanup while trapping fine particles with HEPA-grade filtration. Ideal for woodworkers who want cleaner air and a versatile machine that moves between shop and garage. It's a dependable middle-of-the-road choice for hobbyists. Second, turbo vacuum cleaner gallon 1100W. $150, 5 gallons 1100W turbo. For tight budgets, the 5-gallon turbo vacuum at roughly $150 gives surprising suction from an 1100W motor in a compact package. It's portable, great for light to moderate cleanup, and easy to store. If your shop is small or you need a secondary cleanup unit for quick jobs and debris collection, this turbo small gallon model is a practical grab-and-go solution. Third, DEWALT DWB010 Extractor Automatic Cleaning, $500, tool-triggered auto clean. The DEWALT DWB010 at about $500 introduces tool-triggered auto clean, handy for professionals who want uninterrupted dust extraction while cutting. It links the power tools to start suction on demand and keeps filters cleaner longer with automatic pulses. For pro contractors or dedicated hobbyists who spend long days working, this saves time and preserves consistent suction without manual filter tapping. Fourth, DEWALT Separator Efficiency High Performance DXVCS002, $300, Cyclone Separator Vac. DEWALT's DXVCS002 separator kit, around $300, uses a cyclone-style separator to trap heavy chips before they reach the main vacuum, improving efficiency